Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is share with you my thoughts and opinions as to why I believe the MELD app is going to be phenomenal. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. We're also going to send you towards the link tree at the end of the video. So for those of you that have been following Crypto Moose for a while, this channel, we've been talking about MELD. And MELD is this beautiful new layer 1 blockchain in which you are going to be able to do your lending and borrowing with both fiat and crypto with the 6 leading blockchains. So you're talking about holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, AVAX. What's the other one? Like BNB or something? So you're going to be able to hold those assets along with your fiat. So it's like a crypto and fiat bank account, and you can do all of your banking. So they're going to have this app, and let me share this with you. So if you guys have not been following already, guys, head over to MELD on Twitter, okay? So follow MELD on Twitter. They have currently September 18th, 2024, roughly 85,000 followers. So the world's first global on-chain neobank powered by blockchain. So there's also a Twitter Spaces coming up. Stay tuned for that. That is going to be tomorrow. So that's tomorrow. But this is the big post I wanted to get at. Okay. So before I even share with it, guys, we have been waiting a while for MELD. So it's meld.com. I'm going to share with you one thing before we get to it, because I want you to understand where crypto is most likely going in the future. And that's all we can do, right? Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. However, I'm hedging my bet in favor that crypto operates like this. This is the MELD desktop wallet. So here you can see your staking. You can connect all of your top layer 1s, etc., like Ethereum, your Bitcoin. But you have this all-in-one blockchain where it's cheap, fast, it's good, and you could do your lending and borrowing. So guys, when you head over to the app side, this is where MELD is going to just thrive, in my opinion. So here we even have Raw Dog on the bottom. So Raw Dog is the #1 meme coin on MELD right now. So Raw Dog only pumps. But guys, this is the app. This is most likely going to be the thumbnail. So Ken posted, I just swapped MELD for euros and it cost me 0.05 euro and 1 euro. So it costs $1 to swap almost 600 bucks. Okay. So obviously you have the conversion, right? So it's MELD to euro, whatever MELD's making on that. But look at this. So with an app, you're going to have an all-in-one fiat and crypto app. Like you're going to have all the capabilities to do your DeFi, right? To do your crypto. This is what I'm talking about. And it's non-custodial. So you own your cryptos. You own your private keys, right? So it's not like you are logging into crypto.com, which I do like. I use it all the time. But you are using MELD and you're going to be given a debit card in which you can attach a non-custodial wallet to. So Tangent's kind of touching on this a little bit. We'll talk about that in a different video. But guys, comment down below. I think this is epic. Epic. So here you can see 500 MELD, or sorry, what is it, 50? How many MELD? 50,000, that makes sense. MELD's like a penny. 50,000 MELD, which is their native asset. So you also have the GMELD, which you use for the transaction. So you're spending like less than a penny to transact. That's your transaction fee. You're also going to have your exchange fee, of course, but you're going to be able to do this with your app. Okay. So along with your MELD desktop app, you'll be able to put in your keys and be running everything through an app. Guys, like, I don't know what else to say. I think MELD has so much potential here. You guys comment down below. Am I just a little too excited about this? But I think this is something that's going to be coming out sooner than later. And this is a moment in crypto history where we can look back and be like, you know what? MELD was doing all these things and I perhaps missed it. So my goal is for all of you to at least be aware of this. So we're on MELD.com, right? A new type of banking. This is what we're talking about, dude. So if we take a look at the roadmap, the big one here is so secret projects, right? I think Ken answered it quite well. Guys, quit asking about the secret project. If it's a secret project, it has to be a secret. So people are like, what's a secret project? Dude, it's got to remain a secret, right? That's like Satoshi coming out and saying like, hey, I'm Satoshi. Like, it doesn't work anymore. It's not that cool. So that would probably hurt Bitcoin quite a bit. Maybe destroy it. So MELD App, mobile cross-chain crypto swap. So this is what we're talking about. The MELD app is ready to go from last I checked. And guys, this is going to be insane. So MELD app mobile for Android, that's in development, it looks like. But MELD app for iOS is going to be coming. And guys, it's going to be sweet. So with that being said, guys, head over to the link tree. There's also a MELD node sale. I don't get paid at all from MELD. So some of you have been commenting, oh, you shill in MELD. I invest in MELD. I own MELD. But you guys invest at your own risk. But I've never been paid by MELD. I should. Like, Ken, airdrop me something. $ loose moose. But this is the node sale. I just want you guys to be aware of it. Dynamic nodes. I've done videos on this. So if you guys head over to the channel, type in MELD or just check out some of my recent videos. How to mint a ZK banking node. I talk about what it is in previous videos. So I've done an upcoming video, 500 views. People that have minted it, wonderful. So that is MELD in a nutshell. I believe this is going to be a massive month for MELD. You will mark this down as an important date for MELD. And yeah, guys, check out my link tree, pick up some stuff. I'm selling you guys on online courses. There's also Raw Dog, which is a meme token that could do extremely well from here on out. I do own some. And guys, pick up a Tangem. I've had 600 people use the referral link. So 630 wallets have now been purchased through the Moose coupon code. So that's cool. So this is it. This one I've got an ADA handle sticker, just so I can identify it a little bit. But this thing's great. So protect your crypto, and we'll see you guys in the next one.